everyone, welcome to Approved Weekly. Today we're going to be largely showroom based, but we are going to start in here and we're going to talk about this G-Wagon very briefly. Now we are doing a full video on this one, so this is a G63 with some urban details on there too, but that's not the reason we're focusing on it and we're doing a full video. It's because it's come in for one of our signature deep cleans. It is more than dirty, I would say, no offense to the owner of the car, and we're just organizing all the pieces that are coming out now. So there's a lot of rubbish, but there's also a lot of important documents and belongings in there as well. So yeah, we're going to do a full video on this. Can't skip by this. What do you think? This one's going to be for sale with Approved Showroom, so check it out if you guys are interested. And then let's go straight through to the showroom, shall we? Let's skip through and see what we've got going on today. Guys, you can come through. This is real life. This is our weekly video. So the guys are just finishing their lunch break. You can say hi, guys. Let's go. We're going to keep walking straight through the detailing area. We've got a lot going on in here. This car's for sale, this car's for sale. This Defender behind you has just come in for full paint protection film. The Cullinan is one of my long-time clients and the car is in for a deep clean, so the same as we're doing for that G-Wagon. But yeah, let's go through to the showroom. Okay, so we're going to go and find the guys who don't know that I'm coming now, so they're going to be very upset. But it's okay. Hi, Lewis.
Hello.
Hi, Lee. Hi, Diogo.
Hello.
I told you they'd be impressed. Who's going to talk to me for weekly videos this week?
Lewis. I guess it would be
Oh,
Lewis.
it looks like Lewis has volunteered. Come on, Lewis. Come, help me out.
All right.
So, we have a mic for Lewis? So, I just got interrupted, or told off for being interrupted. Let's start again. I just got I can't even talk now because I've just been shouted at by Diogo. That's how it makes you feel. He's behind you there.
Big grin.
I just got told off for interrupting Diogo and his team for a one-on-one. But I'm going to be honest. I said sorry and now we're carrying on. And I did ask nicely, didn't I, if I could steal you?
That's true. She
Yeah.
did ask nicely, so
Yeah.
I guess
So
it's fair.
now over to you. What we're going to talk about.
Well,
No
I mean,
plan for this at all.
no, I've been thrown in the hot seat. I mean,
Come
we
on.
could talk about what's new at Approved.
Yes.
Um,
What's new at Approved?
We've rejigged the front over here. We've got something very special that's just come into stock.
Better than talking about what's new at another dealership, eh?
Well, yeah, I guess.
Might as well talk about Approved.
You know, seems we were working.
What have we got? Oh, now you guys have done a video on this, right?
We did.
Just come into the showroom now.
So this is the new shape 2024 GT63 Coupe.
Look at those wheels. They're massive.
So this is extremely high spec'd with both interior and exterior carbon fiber packs. It's got the AMG performance seats, but the real selling point for this newer model is the interior, which is very, very similar to the S-Class, which we've obviously got next to it.
Is it wider? It looks extra wide, this one.
To the previous model, it's
Yes.
slightly longer and slightly wider.
That's why, so it's got a lot more presence
Yeah.
in that sense.
It still has the 4.4 litre twin turbo V8.
Oh, nice.
So the belly of the beast, pushing 577 horsepower. So it's
Not slow.
not slow.
Not slow
No.
at all.
Not in the slightest.
Wow, very nice.
So I actually did a small breakdown video on this car in particular. So
Did you
go and
break
check that out as
dance?
well. I did not break dance. I cannot break dance.
Sorry, my
who
mind
knows?
works in weird ways.
Who knows? If you pay me enough.
But
might
you can
start
see
spinning.
that. We're going to link that video. And is that green?
Yes.
Green S63.
Yeah, so this is a lovely colour combo. Very, very deep shade of green with a nice contrasted red interior.
And imagine it under bright sunlight. You can see it here, look.
Yeah, it pops very nicely.
Ooh.
Got that lovely metallic sparkle in it.
See, that's the thing. Black, white, grey cars, as are the majority of our showroom, are lovely. But when you do get a different colour car, even if it's subtle in this case, it really does stand out. It's
Yeah.
nice, right? What else do we have?
We've just had a lovely 911 Targa come into stock. That is on the other side of the showroom though.
Which
so
I called serpentine green yesterday, but it's actually a venturine green,
Yes.
right? Is
Yeah.
there a serpentine green or did I make it up?
You might be thinking of Python green, which is the shade of the GT3, which is behind
No,
it.
it was the iron part that really,
iron.
really... Shall we go and see it? Let's go and
have a
see
look.
it. Here it is.
So, this is the Targa. There was a little bit of debate between the sales guys in the office as to what color it was. Craig, who you might know from the videos, he was adamant that it's grey, but I proved him wrong.
And
as
see,
it is
I knew
actually
the
green.
colour straight away. I just didn't get the name quite right. And also, why historically as a team is there a few of us that are actually colourblind?
It seems that way.
I know of
doesn't
at
it?
least
It
two
does
who
seem
are
that way.
genuinely colourblind, but this is green through and through.
This is green.
Come on.
Yeah.
I don't know how it looks on camera. I can see how people would say it's grey, and I don't
but it's
see how
not.
people would say it's grey on this car, seeing it now with our own eyes.
Yeah. No, I mean, Craig was given arguments that it's the reflection of the floor which is making it look a slightly different colour.
Oh
and
yeah, that's your
no,
justification,
It's
huh?
green. I mean, it is slightly grey.
But,
But
2021, 5,600 kilometres. Very
Yeah.
nice.
I mean, it's effectively brand new.
Yes.
Obviously, nice simplistic interior, black leather. Obviously, the 992 generation, so you've got the nice strip light on the rear. And the main part of the Targa is that you can take that roof down.
And a 2-year approved warranty, if I'm right,
Exactly.
can come with this vehicle. And what I really admire about the Targa is always the curved glass,
Yeah.
because that can't be an easy piece to make, I would guess.
Yeah, I mean, the 911 as a whole is iconic. Obviously,
Yes.
the shape, the style, everything about it, really. But the Targa, I mean, the history of the Targa as well.
Yes.
When you go back to even like the 964 generations and, yeah, the Targas back then, it's continued throughout into the modern age as well, and it just looks phenomenal.
Very nice. And how about this? TTRS?
I have a little bit of a soft spot for this car because this colour is incredible. I love it. I'm just not an Audi man.
Also, I'm going to say something, maybe it's a bit controversial, I'm not sure if I'm allowed to say it. It's a bit feminine.
I mean,
Even for me.
there is the whole stigma behind the TT being a hairdresser car.
Yeah.
But the TTRS...
We've got a friend who'll know who he is, and he used to have one, and we used to say it was a hairdresser car.
Exactly. Like I say, it does have that little bit of stigma, but the RS comes with the 5-cylinder engine,
Yes.
which is a little bit funky.
Yes.
But obviously produces an incredible amount of power and is a real driver-focused car, not a hairdresser.
We'll have to get Ricardo involved, because I know that he loves Audis.
Yes.
But,
Yeah,
Yeah.
we'll chuck him the mic and get him to speak a little bit about this,
Yeah.
because it is a special car. It's very nice.
shall we get Ricardo? I asked the camera editing gods for Rick, and he's here.
Guess who's back?
Guess who's back? Okay, tell us, quick fire.
Oh, so do you know what? They literally just dragged me here, but this is one of my
I didn't
favourite
drag
cars
you, I
in the
wished for
showroom.
you.
They wished for me and they got what they asked for. So we've got a TT RS finished in Ara Blue. It's literally just come in. So as you know, this car is literally a perfect car if you want to catch anyone else on the road. You can literally catch an R8 in this. That's how incredible the car is. It's got around 400 horsepower and it's got the iconic Quattro system. So you've got the best traction control on the road. So let's have a look around it as well.
What's the mileage on this one? Did we speak about that?
So the mileage on this one,
Ooh, crazy low.
yeah. So it's literally got 15,000 kilometers on the clock. So it's literally brand new.
And it's 2017, did we mention that? I'm not sure, sorry.
That's all right. So as you can see, we've priced it really competitively as well. So guys, make sure you come down and have a look at the car. It's been really, really well looked after, which you'll see from the inside as well.
Good. Yes!
So guys, make sure you like, share, subscribe to stay updated with everything approved, and make sure you press the bell icon.
Bye guys, see you next time.